I'm Salah. I heard that Zero's factory is the top 3 factory of pool heat pumps. So today we are exploring it together and we invite David to join us. Let's go. Hi David.
Hi, Salah.
Can you introduce your factory to us?
My pleasure. Let me show you.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for introducing the factory to us. Do you have a new pool heat pump?
Yes, we do.
Here it is. This is our top discharge free inverter heat pump.
I have one question. Why we call the pool inverters? Is there other pool heat pump on pool inverter? Feature?
Yes, full inverter comes with inverter fan, compressor, and PCB. The advantage of full inverter heat pump is that it heats your pool silently and it keeps running at a low frequency to retain pool temperature, always as desired. It improves customers' experience.
Oh, that's great to know that. I realized most of the pool heat pumps with the fans on the side. Can you tell me what it is with the fans on the top?
While designing this way helps to save more space when you have couches and decorative stuff in your pool yard. The fans on the top, meaning more shapes and designs are available on the side.
Oh, I see. This dual color code is series design, and next this is ABS material top.
No. First of all, it's not ABS. The material has been upgraded to ASA. ASA material is actually applied to auto industry for anti-corrosion, weather resistance, etc. Secondly, this is an aluminum cutting design. Aluminum cutting helps to reduce wind noise to better off customers' experience as well.
I see. And is there any other things you wanted to share with us?
Yes, the top discharge are available from 14 kilowatt to 35 kilowatt for different requirements.
Wow, it's widely arranged. Is this controller?
Yes, this is the controller.
Can I open it?
Yep.
It seems it's very easy to operation.
It is.
And this is have 3 motors here, table motors, and smart motors, and silent motors. Could you tell me what the difference between them?
They are designed for different climate application.
Is silent mode is pretty quiet?
Yes, when it's on silent mode, you will have a doubt that is this machine operating?
Huh?
Listen.
It sounds nice. It's a super good heat pump. Thank you for sharing.
Sure thing. Let me know if you have any other questions.
Okay, see you next.
See you next time. Bye bye.